Good morning. This is Scheets from sushystamps.blogspot.com, and I'm here today to talk about the March pages for my Love Today planner. And I'm doing this before March even starts. That's major. So when I was thinking about what I wanted to do for March, I thought, well, March is like St. Patrick's Day. And I checked through all my stamps and I didn't really have anything for St. Patrick's Day. So I went online and I looked and I saw that March is Craft Month. So I found the following stamp sets that I'm going to feature in my planner pages. This is one of our new stamps from the annual catalog called Crafting Forever. I just love it. It's got a lot of different crafting items, scissors and paint brushes and washi tape, and this is exactly how I do mine, and pens and a little stamp that says made with love, and then this, Crafting Forever, housework whenever, my philosophy for sure. And then do something creative every day. That's a stamp I really like. And then I also went through other stamps and I found this one. It's called Just Add Text. But I thought this was a neat saying right here by Van Gogh. I feel that there is nothing more truly artistic than to love people. And I thought that kind of addressed crafts and art. And then I also, in the Lovely Friends stamp set, found a couple that talked about being lucky, like St. Patrick's Day, oh so lucky, and I'm lucky I found you. So I'll be featuring these stamp sets on my pages. Then I also went through all the different cardstock types and found green pages. So this one is from the Be Merry, the Christmas page, but it's just little stars, and I didn't think that looked too much like Christmas. This one is from the Celebration cardstock called Bubble and Fizz. It's got cute little bubbles on it. This is from Eastern Palace, and once again it's similar to the color in the Bubble and Fizz. This is from a designer paper set called Naturally Eclectic, and it's got that same lovely lemon lime twist color in it, but also another green. And then this is also from the same set. And then I found these greens in the designer paper called Coffee Break. This olive green, I always love that. And then this garden green with hearts. So I'll be using those on my pages. And then I went through the washi tape and I found these colors that kind of went along with the greens that I'm featuring in my designer paper. So I'll be using those also. Now, since February hasn't ended, on my February pages, I haven't done my What's Happened page yet, but I have been keeping up with my birthday, my goals, and my to-do list, and I've had a really successful, busy month. So hopefully I can keep that up with February. So are you ready to see the pages? This is my cover page I made for February, and I knew that if you took a heart and you did it 3 or 4 times, it would look like a shamrock. So I did my 4 hearts, and then I did the saying from Van Gogh, and then I found some little heart acrylic accent pieces. So that's my cover page. And here's my goal page, and I'm going to continue with the same categories: goals, to-do list, birthdays, and I've also added the category of congratulations because I have downline that reach goals in their career, and then I also honor whoever has top sales every month in my group. So I found this I Am Lucky I Found You stamp, and then I made another little shamrock with a different designer paper. And then down at the bottom on this empty spot, I put another heart with Oh So Lucky. I think that looks good. And then here's my calendar page. All right, so on this, on the top here, I used the pens and colored them in with my markers that were the same colors as the designer paper. And I used a strip of designer paper with the Oh So Lucky. Another strip down here, and then on this side some more designer paper, and then on this long column I used the baker's twine and the little saying, do something creative every day, and that's for my calendar. And you can see it's pretty well filled already. Trying to plan ahead and realize that I have busy months. So because March starts on a Thursday, then this first page was going to be totally empty. So I decided to make a little creative design on it, and I used the paint brushes, coloring them in different greens, used some ribbon that matched, and then some washi tape up at the top. I think that looks pretty good. It makes you think about crafts, doesn't it? And then this is how I've designed all the pages, the other pages in the month. I've got washi tape down the center and washi tape at the top, and then I have done 3 of the stamps from the Be Creative stamp set, the Create Something Every Day, the little stamp that says Made with Love, and the scissors. And you can see I've done that on every page until we get to the end. And then on the last page of the month, oh, I see, I forgot right up in here. I might have to add something in there, but down in the bottom corner, I did the Crafting Forever, Housework Whenever as an accent piece, but I missed the fact that there's nothing on these pages. That'll be all right. And then on the back, my What Happened page, and I just lined it up with the washi tape that I'm using this month. So I hope this gives you some inspiration, and if you haven't bought this planner, you know it's something you can start whatever month you use it. But thanks for watching, and come back in April to see what I've done with the April pages. Happy stamping!